Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to grow strawberries at home. Strawberries are a delicious and healthy fruit that can be easily grown in your own backyard, so let's get started. Soil. Host. The first step in growing strawberries is to prepare the soil. Strawberries prefer well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. Begin by loosening the soil with a garden fork or tiller. Then mix in a layer of compost or aged manure. Host. Next, it's time to plant the strawberries. Choose healthy, disease-free plants from a local nursery or garden center. Dig a small hole for each plant and set it in place, making sure the crown of the plant is level with the soil surface. Plants. Host. After planting, water the strawberries thoroughly to help settle the soil around the roots. It's important to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged, as strawberries are susceptible to root rot. Host. To conserve moisture and suppress weeds, add a layer of mulch around the strawberry plants. Straw, shredded leaves, or grass clippings all make excellent mulch materials. Host. As the strawberries grow, be sure to inspect them regularly for signs of pests or disease. Remove any damaged or diseased leaves or fruit promptly to prevent the spread of infection. Picked. Host. After several weeks, the strawberry plants should begin to produce fruit. Pick the strawberries as soon as they are ripe to prevent birds or other animals from eating them. Host. Congratulations! You've successfully grown your own strawberries. Enjoy the delicious fruit fresh or use them in your favorite recipes. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY gardening tips and tricks.